back to today's video. We have made it to the end of term 5, so that means that today is the last video for a week. After the half-term break, I will be continuing to make some videos. They won't be daily. I have put on the planning so far that there'll be one video that maybe covers 2 days, for example, but there will still be videos to help you out. I will be going back into school after half term. At the moment it's looking like I'll be doing 3 days a week in school and 2 days a week at home, so I'm not sure how long I'll be able to continue making the videos, but hopefully I'll be able to still do some whilst you are continuing with your home learning. So let's get into today's maths. Number 1. 172 take away 100. Well, we're not taking away any tens or ones, we're taking away 1 from the hundreds column and we're left with 72. 87 times 3, we can do this using the formal method. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24, add 2 is 26. So 87 times 3 is 261. Number 3, 3 tenths add 1 tenth, or we don't add our denominators, so we have 4 tenths. However, there is a simpler way of writing this fraction. We can divide the numerator and the denominator by 2 and get 2 fifths. So 4 tenths or 2 fifths is the answer. Number 4, 5,602, take away 583. So we're taking a 3-digit number from a 4-digit number, so we need to make sure our place value is correct. So 5,602 and my 500s is going in the hundreds column. 8 tens and 3 ones. Now we can't do 2 take away 3 and we can't currently exchange from our tens column, so we need to go into our hundreds column, change the 6 to a 5 and put that into the tens column. Then we can exchange from our tens column, change the 10 into a 9 and put that into the ones column. 12 take away 3 is 9, 9 take away 8 is 1, 5 take away 5 is 0 and 5 take away nothing is 5. So we're left with 5,019. Number 5, 7 times 6 is 42. Number 6, 4.92 add 0.08. Now straight away I can see a number bond, 2 and 8, which equals 10. So 4.92 add 0.08 would take us up to 5. But I'm just going to show you how, just in case you can't see that. So 2 add 8 is 10, 9 add 1 is 10, and then 4 add 1 is 5. So the answer is 5, but if you put 5.00 or 5.0, that's also fine. Number 7 is 82 divided by 100. When we divide, our digits move to the right. When it's by 100, it's by 2 places. So 82, our 2 goes 2 places to the right. Our 8 goes 2 places to the right. We've got a space in our ones column which we're going to fill with a 0, so the answer is 0.82. Number 8, 573,224, take away 56,277. So we're taking a 5-digit number from a 6-digit number, so we need to be careful with our place value. So my 56,000 goes in our 10,000s column and our thousands column, 200, 7 tens and 7 ones. 7 take away 4 you can't do, so we need to exchange. 14 take away 7 is 7. 1 take away 7 you can't do, so we need to exchange. 11 take away 7 is 4. 1 take away 2 you can't do, so we need to exchange. 11 take away 2 is 9. Again, you can't do 2 take away 6. So we need to exchange, and 12 take away 6 is 6, 6 take away 5 is 1, and 5 take away nothing is 5. So the answer is 516,947. Number 9 is 8 squared, which is the same as saying 8 times 8, which is 64. Number 10, 70 times 8. Well, 7 times 8 is 56. So 70 times 8, which is 10 times that, will be 560. Number 11, 1/2 add 3 tenths. So we need to turn our half into tenths. And in order to do that, we multiply by 5 and whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 1 times 5 equals 5. So 5/10 add 3/10 equals 8/10. So you could have 8/10, or you could divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, which would give you 4/5. So 8/10 or 4/5 are your answers. And number 12, we've got 5.8 add 4.62. So 5.8, making sure our decimal points are lined up. Add 4.62. We can add a 0 onto the end of the 8 if it makes it easier for us. We don't have to. 0 add 2 is 2. 8 add 6 is 14. 5 add 4 is 9. Add 1 is 10. So the answer is 10.42. And that is all for this term. I hope that you have a lovely break and hopefully the sun stays out so that you're able to enjoy some of the nice weather. And I shall see you after half term. Thanks for watching. Bye.